how to add products to Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will tell you how you guys can simply add products to your Shopify store. So the process is very simple. Once you guys have Shopify opened up, click on the left side on products, and then after that, simply click on add product on the top right. And then as soon as you guys click on that, it's gonna take you over here. So now from over here, you guys can add in the title of the product. So for example, you guys can type in over here, full sleeve t-shirt, or whatever else the name might be. Then of course you guys can also put in a description for that particular product. You guys can use all of these font tools to basically make sure that the description looks really nice. Then you guys can add in images as well. You guys can add in the pricing. You can also add in the cost per item. You can also keep track of your inventory as well, and also assign this particular product a barcode as well. Then of course you guys can also add in a location, the weight, and also your shipping charges as well. And then after that, click on save, and your product is gonna be added onto your Shopify store in the list of products, as you guys can see over here. So guys, that is how you can add products on your Shopify store. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.